Hello, my name is Zachary Starkey, and this is Business Intelligence Decision Support System Assignment 3 for CIDM 4310-5310. I'd like to start off by providing a little background information about myself. I'm originally from Aurora, Illinois, which is a western suburb of Chicago. I was heavy involved in sports as a child and played Division I baseball collegiately and then professionally for a few years after college. I currently reside in Albuquerque, New Mexico, where I now enjoy traveling, playing with my 7 dogs, and volunteering in the community. As I mentioned, I live in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and here I work at Sandia National Laboratories, which is a contractor of the U.S. Department of Energy. I started at Sandia as a financial analyst working with the nuclear smuggling and detection team, but since then I have gravitated away from the financial side and now work as a system engineer with the safety and security team. I currently hold a Bachelor's of Science in Business Administration as well as a Project Management professional certification along with a Lean Six Sigma Green Belt. Right now I'm pursuing the Master's of Science in Computer Information Systems and Business Analytics here at West Texas A&M. My expectations for this course consists of increasing my knowledge and skills in data storytelling and presentation. Much of my job consists of presenting large schools of data to management utilizing very short windows of time. By learning how to maximize my time and tell the best story possible, I will feel confident that management is properly informed and educated on the issues set before them. My apprehensions about this course center around its compressed schedule and broad concepts. I worry that with a rush to complete tasks quickly, it will result in me not retaining valuable information regarding the course material. Additionally, data mining has been a new skill set I have begun to learn, but not yet fully master, so I'm worried that lacking this skill might hinder my success in the class. Business intelligence has been described as the process of turning data into information and then into knowledge. The simple objective for any BI system is to simply provide easy access to data for the reason of conducting analysis. Pearson Education Inc. describes a business intelligence system as having 4 main components: a data warehouse, business analytics, business performance management, and a user interface. These 4 components make up the architecture of a business intelligence system. Today, the current application of business intelligence includes querying, reporting, analytical processing, statistical analysis, and data mining. The future trend of business intelligence has been described by some industry leaders as leaning towards an increase in indirect collaboration among industry participants. Benchmarking will continue to lead the forefront of evaluating progress and innovation. Decision support system can be described in both a broad and narrow sense. From a broad sense, it is any computerized system that supports decision making, while from a narrow sense, Pearson Education explains that it is a customized application for unstructured or semi-structured problems. Where most BI systems are constructed with commercially available tools and components, DSS is often built from scratch by its users to solve a specific problem. Today, the current application of DSS includes sales, orders, material requirements, planning of results, inventory records, and financial data. Through these applications, the future trend will continue to lean towards their interaction with data. According to the Journal of Association of Information Systems, decision-making is further muddled by the speed with which decisions must be made. Instead of having weeks or days, businesses and organizations may have minutes or seconds. This perpetual need for real-time solutions are what will ultimately continue to drive decision makers to push the boundaries of decision support systems capabilities. For my business case, I would like to look at how sports franchises can help their revenue. When looking at things that involve an NHL team's success, things that come to mind are ticket sales, merchandising, and television contracts. All of these elements require one thing to ensure their success, and that is how well the team performs and how much they win. The structure of this success is shown here. When a team employs good players, team wins will follow. As more wins accumulate, increase in fan involvement and ticket sales will follow, which will then lead to an increased market success. Focusing on what players to select is always a difficult choice. In this case, we'll look to solve this by focusing on the data behind what it takes to win games. Scoring more than the other team is the simple answer to this, but digging deeper and focusing on what on-field attributes lead to scoring can help management focus on players that excel in these specific attributes.